Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target specific YouTube channel. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and then you have to simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar. And once you type in the Google Ads, you have to just simply go to the first website from here. And once you go to the first website, you have to just simply choose the sign in button or the start now button from here. So let's go for the sign in button, and once you click on the sign in, you have to put in your login credentials there. And after that it will simply take you to this page, and there you have to just simply click on the create icon from the left hand side. And once you click on the create icon, you have to just simply click on the campaign icon from the top here, and then it will simply take you to this page. And from here you have to just simply click on the create a campaign without guidance, so simply click on it. And from here you have to choose the video option from here, and once you click on the video option, since it will be YouTube targeted video, you have to just simply click on video, then click on continue. It will simply take you to the select campaign subtype. So for here, just click on the video views and then click on continue again. It will simply take you to this page here, and here you will get all the impressions and all other things simply as well, like that. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.